Hi guys, happy Sunday. I'm currently at the mall, so I came here just to get my steps in and also do some little shopping. Sometimes when I'm home and I'm not doing anything, I get bored. I just step out of the house because if I'm at home, let's be honest, I can't get my steps in. So when I'm home, I'm just sitting at home not doing anything, but if I come out, I can be able to get my step in. Locker is our next stop, so go in, see what we get. Okay, good afternoon. Let's talk outside. I'm done from work. I'm currently just taking a little break outside before I get into my car because I know it's going to be very hot. So while I was here, I was just thinking, when you have oh my god, English is hard. When you have alone time like this, you just start to think, Mommy, come try it on. Where can I try it here? Yesterday I got something for Zara. This same one that Isabel has, the panda stuff, but it was too big, so I came to get her size 9. You guys know you stress me so much. Just close from work, I'm supposed to be resting. I want her to match with Isabel. So I'm back home. It's currently 7:25 p.m. Exhausted. I know I always say I'm exhausted, but this time it's for real. Imagine closing work at 5 and you're just getting home. Today I decided to not eat. So I was trying to see if I can do 24 hours fasting, just water. Yeah, because we've taken our weight loss our weight loss to another level, so it's not just once a day. I was trying to do 24 hours, but you guys, I was shaking while I was in the office. I was tempted with so much food, pizza for my colleagues and everything. I said no, I won't eat because I'm trying to lose weight. Like, I was literally shaking, guys. I was literally shaking. I was so hungry, but I held on until I went to pick my daughter and my kids, from the summer camp and the preschool. Then we went to the mall. We went to get Renee's shoe. I'm sure you guys saw that. And after the mall, this kid says they want to eat something. Definitely when you're at the mall, you must buy them something. So I said, okay, let me buy. What do they want? They first said they wanted Panda Express. Later they said they wanted cheap Popeyes. I was like, okay, anyone I can get it. Let's start with Popeyes. So we went to Popeyes stand, and I said, okay, I want large mac and cheese and the chicken 4. And the guy was like, why buy 4? Why not just make it 4 large mac and cheese and 4 chicken? Is $22. Just get the 8 chicken and the large mac and cheese and biscuits for $32. I was like, okay. I was thinking maybe he was doing me good, and I bought it. You guys see. This one is not, we've not opened yet. This whole pack. We've not opened yet. So we still have a lot of chicken here. And we have chicken here and biscuits. And then I was like, I tasted one. I was like, this is not what I want. It's actually breaking my fast. This is not what I was craving. What I was craving is Chinese rice, even if I know it's not healthy to break fast with, because I realized I can't go that 24 hours. I might sleep and not wake up. So let's not go to extreme, especially not for the first day. So I was like, okay, let me get Panda Express for myself. And I went to get Panda Express. Panda Express. Then I was like, oh, I need some veggies from Panda Express. So let's get some more veggies, broccoli and this seed. So now tell me guys, what am I going to do with all this food? So this is, and now, to be honest, they are tired of eating. I'm tired. I don't even, like, I took just 2 spoons. I don't know if it's because I starved the whole day, but I could not even eat. So this whole thing is just like, I wasted my money. I feel so bad, so annoyed. The whole lesson is, when you're hungry, don't go to the store, don't go to buy anything, because you end up, everything in the store is just going to look appetizing. I spent over almost $50. Yes? And I can't even eat, and they're tired too. So yeah, don't go to the store hungry. When you're fasting, or when you're about to break your fast, that's the wrong time to go to the store or wherever, the restaurant or wherever they're selling all this fast food, because everything is going to seem appetizing, and when you test it, you will barely be able to eat anything. Let me show you guys something that I ordered from TikTok. So this is my first ever TikTok buy. What I'm currently filming with is actually a light from Amazon, but recently that light has been misbehaving, so I ordered this one that I've seen on TikTok, on everybody's TikTok page, and I want to show you guys. So let's see, but I don't know if this one is going to work with my camera or it's just for phone. From what I've been seeing, I think it's just going to work for your phone. I need to hurry up and go and freshen up because I'm tired. This filming, I don't even know who sent myself. It might work for camera, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's going to work for camera with this. So unboxing, it came with this stuff that you can use on your camera. Okay, so it comes with this stuff that you can use on your camera. And this one, I don't know, I think this is for your phone, I don't know. And a charger, I guess. And a little pouch, I think for storage and stuff proper. Don't know if you guys can see with this. Okay, yeah. So let's see if we can on it even without charging it. Let me see. Where do you on it? Okay, this is how you keep it if you want to use it on your camera. Nice. But now the problem is how to turn it on. Oh, there are a lot of keys at the side. See? Focus, 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 focus. Yeah, do you see that? So there are a lot of keys at the side, and this is how it looks for your camera. When you want to put it on your camera, just like this. Perfect. So I think it's going to be even brighter than this one. We're going to try it out. But let's turn it on. Can it turn on without charging? Ooh. And this one. Let's switch out this lighting. Okay, so now I'm going to pull off this old one. And let's switch to this one. Let's see the difference. Guys, this light is so bright. Like, it's not so bright. I love the mixture of the warm and the cool. And it has more space, more screen. The screen is wider, and so it gives more coverage than this one that the screen is very small. I love it, and it's so inexpensive. It's way cheaper than this one. This one is more expensive. This small one is more expensive because I got this one from Amazon, but this one is from TikTok shop, and I think it was just for $3. Yeah, $3. And when people have been saying, whoa, I just thought they're exaggerating, but trust me, coming from this one to this one, come on. I don't even need to put on all this light, like, come on. And you can still see me, like, this is even with total darkness in my house, and it's late, it's getting darker outside. You can see me, like, it's so bright. With this, I bet you cannot get the same effect. Because the screen is smaller, but this one has a wider screen. Not sponsored though, but I'm just telling you what I saw though. I love it. I think I'm just going to use this. I like this dark effect to just close out. Just got back from work. It's about 6:41. So what I do is whenever I close from work, not every time, but like today, I closed from work and I know I needed gas. I had to go straight to the gas station to get gas because I will need to take the kids to the summer program tomorrow morning very early before I start working. So I had to go get gas and just make sure that I am set for them for tomorrow. But I wanted to quickly show you guys before I end this vlog, because I'm sure I'm going to end this vlog here and start another one next week or weekend against next week. Thank God I've been very consistent, as you guys can see. If you follow my camera, I know what something is drawing you to touch it so that it falls, right? Yeah, cute. So yeah, first of all, one of them is this very cute, oh my god, this lighting, they don't let me show you guys things, but this is it, this very cute. I feel I'm so far away, but that's the best we can do. So this is how it is. So it's very cute. It is very cute straw cover. I ordered a bunch of them. Then I ordered, I already unboxed them. I ordered some straw. It's nothing serious. See how I'm showing you guys as if it's something serious, but just so you guys can see. So I ordered different straws. So they came in things like this. So they just have a bunch of glass straws. I want to see if I can, oh, it's too short. I got them for my tumbler, but it's too short. So I'll have to return it. Then I also got them, the one that came with a set that you can actually wash your brush with. So this is what I got with that. So it's looking like we're going to return this because it's quite short for my tumbler. I still have like extra straw for this tumbler, but my kids keep biting, because sometimes when I go to pick them, they want to take water from my tumbler. They keep biting the tip. Or this one is a new one that I brought. Thank God they've not beaten this one, but I just wanted to get extra tumblers in case I even get extra cups in future. Well, let me show you guys. I got a lot of covers, cute covers. I'm sure you guys can tell I'm tired though. If I come here and front that, hey, I'm not tired, I'm strong, I'm lying big time. I am exhausted, but we gotta move. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, this should be enough for now. I still have some more in here, but let me show you the one I chose. So this one is very cute. This light is disturbing me. It's just too bright. You guys can't even see what I'm showing you. How they are. Very cute. Then this one is like a little hat, a mini hat. See how this one is? Then this one is a mini hat. So cute. So they are all covered for your water. Then this one is, I don't know, but it's cute. I like it. So use it to cover your water. This will just hold it. And this one is cloud. So cute. Little things like this are what makes me happy now, guys. Seriously, it's not, I don't need big things to make me happy. Just little cute things like this. So this is another one. I want to remove my face so that it can focus on this stuff. So this is another one. So cute, so cute. It's cloud, just like this pink one. So it's also cloud. This one is strawberry. So cute. This one is a star. Just basic pink. This one is so cute. It's a cloud with some cutie, colorful stuff. And this one is a paw, like for a dog. Their paw, so cute. So this is a cover, and we have this one that yeah. So I got a lot of them. The one that fascinates me more is this hat. This Texas cowboy hat. This Texas cowboy hat. He's so cute. So cute, and it's brown. Like, this brown is one of my favorite colors, so getting it in brown is just... Anyways, so guys, that is it. Nothing serious. I just wanted to show you guys those little stuff that I got from Amazon. So definitely I'm going to return the straw and the straw cleaner because the size is just too big. I'm still on my weight loss journey, and I'm documenting it on this channel and a little bit on TikTok, just so I can hold myself accountable and I don't fall off. Because if I keep saying this, it's just going to remind me that, okay, you promised these people you're on a weight loss journey, so what are you doing? So since morning I haven't eaten anything. The only thing I tasted was when I went to pick up the kids, which is like an hour ago. I just tasted some parts of the cookies I got for them, just like one bite, that's it. But now I want to eat dinner. In fact, my food for the day, I'm just going to eat a little bit, not too much. Then tomorrow we continue. Hopefully I still do it weekend. I don't want to do we took a break weekend. No, I'm not taking any break. I'm going at it. So we're doing this back to back till I achieve my desired weight loss. Then I can take a break and start eating maybe lunch and dinner, and not just because I was doing just breakfast, skipping just breakfast and eating lunch and dinner. It wasn't working. I was just like, I'm maintaining my weight. But now that I'm doing this, I'm actually seeing results. I've lost a couple of pounds. Yeah, so if before weekend I'm able to lose 2 or 3 more pounds, that means it's really working. Then I can go at it till maybe a month or 2, or maybe whenever my husband comes back, because my husband likes food. So whenever he comes back, he wants to make me eat with him, and I'm going to lose my track. So now that he's not home, I saw it as an opportunity for me to lose weight. Even if he has been telling me, I don't want you to lose weight. Oh, I don't, African men now, they like us full and the way we are, but nope, I don't like myself. I like myself like this, don't get me wrong. In fact, let me don't lie, I don't like myself. I'm okay, but I think I can be better, okay? Because I've been in those, I've lost weight before, so I know that health-wise, even if I look good physically, when I wear clothes, it looks good on me because I'm plumpy and beautiful. Yes, I said it. But again, health-wise, we need to lose it so it doesn't get more than this, okay? Because when it starts getting more than this, then it's a problem. So guys, that is it for this vlog. I want to end this vlog here and tell you guys thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is an opportunity for you to subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. I need it. You guys have been so amazing. I've been seeing the thumbs up. It's really showing up on my channel, and it's just giving me so much motivation to keep pushing. So I've been trying to be consistent, and God is helping me. I'm doing it. Thank you. I appreciate you for being here, and I'll see you in my next one, okay? Bye-bye. Let me go attend to my kiddos.